Now we come to the synthetic division method to divide polynomials. Now this can be only done when the binomial, when there is only binomial, and it must be first degree binomial. We will see in the coming problems, but this is a very quicker method. You don't need to divide all that. It's very quick, but there is conditions to it. It can be only done when it's binomial and degree 1. Also the coefficient must be 1, but that can be altered. We will see two problems and you will see the difference. And now we will learn this method. It is a unique method which has plenty of steps. All these steps, if I read it out, it's no use because it's very hard to understand the steps until we solve a problem. Let's see a simple problem over here. See this. You must know what is the dividend and divisor. The divisor must be a binomial. We saw that in the previous slide. Now you must find the zero or the solution. How do you find the solution of this? X minus 5. Make it equal to 0. What is x equal to? It's equal to 5. So this number is very important. This is 5. The divisor is very important. Sorry, this number is written like this. And then the coefficients of the dividend. You can see over here, the coefficient of x cubed, the dividend is 1, and of x squared is minus 2, x is minus 8, and last constant is 35. Remember, you must write this in descending order of degrees. It must be the highest degree first. Over here it's 3, 2, 1, and then constant or 0. So this is how we write it. Now, once we set up this, it is very simple. All you need to do is first keep the first coefficient. Say bring down the first coefficient as it is, no changes. Multiply this number with this coefficient. What is it? 5. And write it over here. Now you basically add them up. Over here it's minus 2 plus 5. That will become plus 3. And then multiply it with 5. So multiply 5 and write it over here. Again, after that, what do? You need to add it up. So add 15 and minus 8, it will be 7 times 5, you'll get 35. Add it, it's 0. If there is a number over here, that is the remainder. If there is no number, that means it's 0, and there you stop. So this is how it works. Let's see a proper problem. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you this. Whatever the numbers you get over here are your answers. So this is the remainder. So ignore this. This is your constant, 7. Over here, x to the power 0, right? Then over here, 3x and x squared. If there were more terms, it would be cube to the power 4 and so on. So this is your answer. Let us see a problem over here. We have been asked to divide this big term by the divisor x plus 3. What is the 0? What is the solution over here? You must remember it's minus 3 because you can just change the sign over here. So let's write that first. Minus 3, okay, over here. What about the coefficients? They are as it is, 3, minus 2, minus 53 and 60. Minus 60, sorry. Write them. 3, minus 2, minus 53, minus 60. Now, first things first, bring this down over here and then multiply it with negative 3. It will be negative 9. So you'll get the answer negative 9. Now add them up and you will have minus 11. Do the same thing. Multiply minus 3 with this. Answer over here. Negative times negative becomes positive. 3 times 11 is 33. Add them up. You'll have 20. Now multiply it with negative 3. You will get positive 60. And the remainder is 0. Whenever you are coming to the last term, a line is drawn just to indicate this is the remainder, and this is your answer. This is the constant x and x squared. Or you can also remember, if the given question is x cubed, the answer will be 1 down, 1 degree less, x squared onwards. So the answer is 3x squared minus 11x minus 20, and there is no remainder, it's 0. Remainder is 0, so this is the answer. Now let us see another problem where it is not so simple. The binomial is not so simple. Over here we have Degree 1, yes, but we have a coefficient of 2. What do we do now? Don't worry, you should just divide everything by 2. So you will get this as x. So over here, the leading coefficient of the divisor is not 2. So you need to make it to 1. Sorry. It should be 1. It's not 1. So make it to 1. How do you get it? Divide everything by 2. What is the answer? It'll be 4 divided by 2 is 2. Minus 37 divided by 2 is minus 18.5. 4 divided by 2 over here again 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Over here, 2x divided by 2 will become x. Minus 1 by 2 is half. So now we can use the synthetic division method. All you need to do is, what is this 0? X equals half or 0.5. That's it. Take it to the other side. You can just change the sign and write 0.5. Write the coefficients. 2. And now over here, it's very important. Can you see x to the power 3? X power 4. Next will be x power 3, 2, 1, and constant 0. See, x power 4, a coefficient, this one over here, you should see, sorry, this one is 2. But there is no x to the power 3, so we write 0, and then x power 2 coefficient is minus 18.5, x power 1 is 2, and lastly we have 4.5. So this is the thing. Now, same method does not change. Bring this down. 2 comes down. Multiply with 0.5. Answer is 1. Add it up. 1. Multiply with 0.5. You get 0.5. Add it over here. 18. 18 half. It'll be minus 9. Minus 18 half is minus 9. Add it up. You'll get negative 7 times 0.5. It'll be minus 3.5. Add it up, you will get 1. Because 4.5 minus 3.5, 1 is remaining. So the answer is, you have remainder. So this is 0, x, x square, x power 3. So 2x power 3 plus x square minus 18x minus 7. And this, please remember, we write 1 divided by the divisor. Divisor is x minus half. Over here, you can note that this can be rewritten. You multiply both the sides by 2. You're not doing any change. It'll be 2x minus 1, right? You can also write over here as 2x minus 1. But remember, sorry, you can rewrite, you have to multiply here also, because see this, what happens is, sorry, I told you wrong. Whenever we multiply, both the sides must be multiplied, okay? Now, please understand this. You're multiplying. See over here, when we divided, what did we do? We divided both the sides, up and down, numerator, denominator. When we multiply, when you're multiplying over here, you need to multiply the above term as well. So remember, whatever we just now did, multiplication is correct, but I forgot to tell you, even multiply in the numerator. So multiply 2 up and down. What happens? This becomes 2x minus 1 and up becomes 2. So this is your final answer with the remainder. Or if you're getting confused, you can just leave this. This is also the answer. So this is how we can easily solve such a long problem. It would have taken so much time if it was long division. But in synthetic division, it takes just few steps and you get the answer. So that's the end of this division chapter. I hope you have understood division of polynomials. If you have any doubts or queries, please do drop them in the comments. I will get back to you soon. Have a good day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.